Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your old Amazon orders. Whether you need to track a past purchase, find a receipt, or simply review your order history, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and sign into your account. Just enter your login credentials to access your Amazon account. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu option labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Orders. This is your central hub for viewing everything you've ever purchased on Amazon. Now that you're on the Orders page, you'll notice all your recent purchases displayed. To locate older orders, look for the Date filter at the top of the page. Click on this filter to narrow down your order history by specific time periods. This feature is incredibly useful when you're searching for purchases made months or even years ago. You can also use the search bar at the top if you remember any details about the order, like the product name or seller. For the most comprehensive view of your past purchases, select the oldest time period available from the Date filter options. This will display orders going as far back as your account history allows, making it easier to locate that specific purchase you're looking for. Once you've adjusted the time frame, start scrolling through the list of orders until you find the one you want. Amazon displays orders in reverse chronological order, so you'll see the most recent ones first as you work your way back. When you've located the order you're searching for, click on it to open the full order details page. This page provides a complete overview of everything related to that purchase. You'll be able to view all the items included in the order, check the delivery status, access your invoice, see the shipping address, and review the payment information used for that transaction. This comprehensive view is particularly helpful if you need to verify details for returns, warranties, or tax purposes. And there you have it. You've successfully located and reviewed your old Amazon orders. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.